Your teacher has asked you to write an argumentative essay. From thousands of potential topics, you've narrowed down the list to one concise thesis statement. An argumentative essay should be structured with an introduction, body, and conclusion. The first paragraph is the introduction. This is where you'll introduce the reader to your topic and your thesis statement. The middle paragraphs make up the body. This is where you'll give details and evidence to support your thesis statement. The last paragraph of the essay is the conclusion. This is where you'll sum up your argument and restate your thesis statement. Let's examine starting with the introduction. Entice your readers with a hook or catchy intro that will capture their attention and make them care about the topic. Make it engaging, but also grounded in facts. For example, have you ever heard of cabbage that produces scorpion venom? What about a banana that acts as a vaccine for hepatitis B? After you have caught the reader's attention, then you can introduce your topic. Now that you've set the stage, you can present your thesis statement. That leads readers into the body of the essay. Use this graphic organizer to help you plan your introduction. Think about how to introduce the topic and how to grab the reader's attention while doing so. After the introduction come the body paragraphs. This section is where you'll present or cite evidence to convince the reader of your argument. Use this graphic organizer to help plan each paragraph. Each body paragraph should include a topic sentence that explains what the paragraph is about. The topic sentence should support your thesis statement. Next, cite evidence from your research that elaborates on the topic of the paragraph and supports the thesis. Include a brief quote or a statement of information from one of your resources. Use a sentence starter such as, "The article states," or "according to." Be sure to include your source. Then paraphrase the quote in your own words to tell the reader what it means and why it is important. You can use a sentence starter such as, "This shows that," or "This is important because." Follow this structure for each body paragraph. When you move from one body paragraph to the next, be sure to include a transition that leads the reader into the next idea. After you have finished all the body paragraphs, wrap things up with a conclusion. This is where you summarize main points and make a final statement to wrap up the argument. First, the conclusion should provide a summary of the claims and arguments you discussed in the body of the essay. It should not present new information. The conclusion should also present a brief and clearly written final statement on the topic. The final statement of an argumentative essay may include a call to action, which explains what you think needs to be done.